Sometimes as a reader, you're able to write a book review, which means that you give your opinion of the book that you just read. An opinion means you tell someone how you feel about it. So today, you're going to read on Epic for 20 minutes or complete a book. Then you are going to create a book review. You'll type your name in. You will give it your rating. 5 stars means that you think it was fantastic, and you'll go down from there. You'll put your title and who wrote the book, which is the author. Then you're going to talk about the characters in this box. You'll answer the questions: who are they? Did you like them? And how did they make you feel? You'll go to the next box and talk about the plot. Remember that the plot are the events that happened. So you're going to answer what happened and is it fun to read? You'll give your opinion of the book in this box. Did you like the book? What was your favorite part and why? Were there any funny or scary bits? And did you learn anything from your book? And then your last box would be, would you recommend it? Recommend means, would you want someone to read it? Yes or no? Why or why not? For example, yes, someone should read this because it was really funny and made me laugh a lot. Or no, someone should not read this because it was extremely boring and did not have good word choice. So complete your book review and then submit it when you are finished.